Okay, partner for all you guys that want to know what we used. CJ loves it, don't you? No, he hated it. Roll that intro.
There's a lot of pressure in here.
Okay, got mine. $13 smoothie, 2 rusty nuts, the ambulance, the welder. What does that mean? Okay, welcome back. We are doing another blower motor install. Actually, CJ's doing it. I pulled the one out and then I decided, hey, maybe we should film this. Since CJ edited the video and he watched the video, he should know exactly how to do it. So now he's putting the blower motor in himself. Let's check to see what he's got going on. Okay, so what are you doing first?
I'm trying to figure out how it goes in.
There's
like a piece right here. I have to figure out where this goes.
Doesn't it go like this? Yeah, just flip that up. Fan blades go in. Flip it around. Doesn't that piece that you're talking about, doesn't it go towards the passenger side?
How these are
Is that
supposed
it?
to fit in?
Come here, look. Look, so one of these.
Squeeze by.
Okay. CJ, back it up. Adam's in a hurry. Something happened with Adam.
Go to reverse.
Flashy, flashy. Adam, that doesn't sound good. Sure are smiles. Okay, back to where we were. So, you know that this right here is at the very front of the car. So it has to be oriented either like that, or like that, or like that, okay? Because one of these has to be at the very front.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's like that, but you should be able to see that indentation.
Okay.
I should be able to feel it, actually. Oh, it's over here. It's right there. It's right there. Okay. I know where it is. Oh, he's getting closer. Oh, I think he might have it, folks. I think he might have it. Did you get it?
Almost. I have it like up to here, but I don't know if it's supposed to go closer or not.
Well, all your screw points should be flush.
Is it supposed to have like a little gap right there?
I can't really tell what you're seeing, but gaps don't sound right. The orange wire is really a pain in the butt, seems like. Why can't we move that? Wherever this goes, it needs to get repositioned. Okay, what's the problem?
I can't get it to be flush with the hop.
All right, let me get in there and see what's going on.
Okay.
I don't think this is gonna fit in there. It's like our little leg is wrong.
Is the black one bigger than the other one?
Seems like it. I have a tape measure. No? We don't like something. Try again. That's why you buy OEM and not cheap junk. Should I be nice and start these screws for him? Or should I let him suffer on his own? I'll be nice today. But you have to tighten. Hold on, let's show him what it looks like. Not perfectly flush like the OEM one was, but it will when you actually screw it in. It will be. Come on, Captain Sniffles. Let's get this installed so we can go. Right, tighty lefty loosey. If you unscrew my screw, it's your fault. Oh, you probably don't have it tight enough for it to actually ratchet. You also have a screwdriver if you want it.
Are these like, what's it called? when they're broken because they won't screw?
Maybe. Can't tell because I'm not looking directly at it.
I can't get the ratchet to...
Ratchet?
Ratchet.
Let's see. I'm doing it one-handed. What's your problem? Good, it's good. Ratchet's good. I think you're going the wrong way. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So if you can't get it to ratchet, pull it off and then turn it, put it on, rotate to tighten. See what I'm saying? So put it on, now rotate clockwise. Okay, now take, or go all the way around. Yeah, that'll work.
And then what?
Just keep going. If it won't ratchet, or if you hold the shaft of the socket in place, it'll ratchet that way. That one's hard to get to because it's almost at an angle, right? Let me show you a trick.
Yeah.
Might need to hold the camera. Okay, so put your socket on there, right? So the socket's on there, right? I am now holding the socket.
Okay.
Okay, see that?
Uh-huh.
That's how you make a ratchet. You gotta have enough resistance for it to actually ratchet.
Yeah.
You're almost done. You're so close, CJ. You're so close. One more piece of the puzzle. I'm gonna go get the glove box.
Do we just have to plug it in now?
Yep.
Ah.
Ow, what? Ow.
Very good at doing this with one hand. Hopefully this is right. It doesn't feel like it's gonna come off.
Did you get it?
I think so.
Oh, there goes his head. Okay, let's test it. Auto. It works.
Yay.
Okay, so we should do something with this wire, right? Without having anything to zip tied to, we can prop it up against that. So, hook our glove box back in, put the little tangs in place. See right here? Okay, and this little shock absorber, I guess, or it has a hole in there. And that goes in place. And then pop that in there. And then you're good. Oh, still gotta put that piece on. Is that screwed in? I bet you there's one screw that goes in there, CJ. See if it'll pop in there. It goes underneath.
Oh.
So you should have a screw that goes in right there. We'll have to find one because I've obviously misplaced it since it's been however many months since we messed with this last. But this piece right here will fit in that hole right there. Okay? And then these will clip in. And then we still got to fix our light, which I don't have time for that right now. Do the outro. Okay, what are we doing? Intro, outro?
Yeah,
Which one?
both.
What are we doing?
I don't know.
Outro?
I guess we'll do the intro.
Intro. Okay, this is the intro after we're done. Go.
Today we're gonna be replacing the blower motor on the 4runner
Why are we replacing the blower motor on the 4runner?
because the old one had what was it?
Bearing.
A bearing loose,
Or it was probably a bushing, but yeah.
and it was like clanking all over the place. We would turn it on and it would be like clink, 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 clink.
Yeah. Maybe we can find some audio from a previous video. Insert audio here.
So let's get right into it. Roll that intro.
There we go. Doot, doot. Oh, look, we're done. All right. So, if you have any comments, leave them down below, and I'll read them at some point in time in my life. CJ might read them for me. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the comments.